Good morning, Wales. It's Tuesday, May 20th. Let's recap Tesla for today. So coming into this week, we're expecting higher on Tesla and the markets as well. It is getting a little bit shaky, so we're staying cautiously bullish here. However, you can see clearly from the lows, we still have a beautiful uptrend intact, with every dip and every major dip being bought up along the way. Now, we are getting close where we are working on a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s here, you can see. And this cluster is a bit more tricky to essentially, trade. So you're going to question yourself a lot whether or not this is the top, if it's going to go deeper. But just so you know, every single dip, in my opinion, whether it's a deeper dip or if it's just an intraday dip, it's going to be bought up quickly because we are in an uptrend, right? So essentially, you should be doing the same. Either you wait for the blue 4 to buy, or you wait for the blue C to buy as well. Okay, so yesterday on our Discord group, this was the day trade that we won on Tesla. We longed at 335, perfect entry, and hit our targets at 344. So we're basically trying to see how this is going to play out, but essentially any dip should be a buy, right? Bottom line. Let's go down to the 30-minute time frame as well to understand Tesla's intraday movements. All right, so you can see we have a wave 1, 2 in the macro scale, and we're still working on this larger wave 3 on this leg up. So still some time to go, and most likely, right, we'll dip down and push higher like this, right, with another series of 3s, 4s, and 5s before a larger dip. Something like this, right? This is what I'm taking a look at. If I go back to the higher time frames, my main target is at 380, guys. We take the swing highs down to the swing lows. That 383 mark is the main level that I'm looking at for all of this fifth wave, wave 1, to essentially get to. Now, we'll see what the markets decide, whether or not it can extend higher, or if it does, do the retrace that I'm looking for, maybe closer to 318. This is sort of the main path that I'm seeing. So I'll keep you guys updated every single day. But ultimately, if you also take the inverse fibs, the main target now, if we can get past that 380 level, is all the way up here at 553 to 593. All right, so let's see how we can get there, but it's looking still pretty good in my opinion. Some people are calling for Armageddon, where the top is going to be in soon. There is technically a path there. However, I don't see it so far. We're still very technically bullish on all time frames, so it's premature to call that. So let's see how things play out. But ultimately, if we're still going to call this bullish, we have an invalidation level set as well here. We're going to try to keep pushing the markets higher. So in my opinion, you should keep buying the dips. You can hedge shorts as well if you want to, if you're overexposed. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing. So again, these are the day trades that I take in my Discord group. You get the entries, you get the targets, you get the stop losses every single day, right? I post, whether it's the S&P 500, HIMS, SMCI, RGTI, everything that you need here to succeed. So if you want these day trade ideas, come join, guys. I'll see you guys in Discord, and I look forward to trading alongside you. All right, see you guys soon.